Nokia 7.1 is a budget offering priced very competitively at 1049 dirhams. It's a phone that comes with Android One out of the box, and there's a lot to like about its packaging. It has a unique slide out unboxing experience with the phone up front, wrapped in some plastic protection. Underneath, you find the SIM tool and then the standard paperwork. There's a box within the big box which houses the 3.5mm jack headphones, a USB-C charging cable, and a fast charging brick. The phone has quite a premium feel to it with a metal build and appeals to people who want that flagship-like look with the notch. It doesn't give you any added function like a face unlock, but it's still there. There's a chin at the bottom of the device which does take away from that immersive experience, but the clean-looking Nokia branding makes up for that. For a budget phone, it's nice to see such a refined device, and the software being Android One makes the phone as close to stock Android as possible. While I haven't seen an update to the new Android Pie on this just yet, it should be just around the corner. If you want to know more about what to expect, check out our in-depth look video we did on the Nokia 7 Plus from the card up top. But as of now too, using the phone hasn't felt sluggish. I like how content looks on the IPS LCD 5.84-inch display, and a good chunk of that might also be because the screen is HDR10 certified. There's some neat things like an active display for notifications, but unfortunately, you don't find stereo speakers with the device for an enhanced media experience. But the 3.5mm jack is there to listen to content on more conventional headphones. As far as hardware goes, we get the fingerprint scanner and the Snapdragon 636 octa-core chipset from Qualcomm alongside 4GB of RAM. There's also the option to expand storage via microSD, but more interestingly, I'm excited to try out the Zeiss 12 and 5MP cameras because you can't get an idea of them just from this first look. I'll also have some videos on the phone following and go more in depth on the 3040 mAh battery on the phone, but that's all for this one. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe for more videos coming up, and I'll see you in the very next one. Adios.